So hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Like I promised in the previous video which I just did on how to get 1M coins free daily on Hamster Combat by just doing filling the Morse code. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get free 5M coins. You can see it's free 5M coins daily by buying the required card combo. So these three spaces here, you are to buy three required card combo, and then once you buy the complete combo, you'll be able to claim these free 5M coins, and you can do that daily. So now follow this video guys step by step on how to do this, and by doing this we're earning free 5M coins daily by just getting the card combos, the three of them. So if it is the first time of you watching my videos, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon to receive notification whenever new video guide is dropped. You drop how to make money online using your smartphone from the comfort of your home. So let's get started. So today's combo, wants to go into to get started, what you just click on mine. Just click on this mine, click on mine, and then you're going to see the spaces. It will be locked, question mark, question mark, question mark. So which card are we going to pick? Which card are we going to pick? What is the right combo, the true combo that I need to pick? Alright, okay, you can see here market, see available cards under market, PR team, you can see available cards under PR team, and then here legal, you can see available cards under legal, and specials. On special, you can see your cards in which are bought, and you can see click on new cards to see what cards here. So now let's get started on on this combo. So today's combo is hamster tube, hamstergram, and hamster combat match. So that is the three combo in which we are going to buy this card, and we are going to get a free whooping sum of 5M coins. And then it's a daily combo, so there's new card that will be dropped every day for each day. Each day has its own combo in which you pick the combo, and then you keep claiming these 5M coins. So we'll get to how to get those combos later. So hamstergram, hamster tube, hamstergram, and hamster combat match are the three cards we have to buy today to get our free 5M coins. So let's start with market. Click on market, check. There's no hamstergram here, there's no hamster tube or hamster combat match. So let's check PR team. So here we go, there's hamster tube. So click on hamster tube and click on go ahead. So as you can see, wow, this is one of the combo. The first card is ready, don't stop. So we got two more cards. So here again, look at the hamstergram, click on hamstergram, go ahead to buy it. You can see this is the second just assemble, a bit left. So let's look which is the last card, hamster combat match. So let's check legal, hamster combat match, hamster combat match, it's not here. So let's check specials, hamster combat match, we don't have hamster combat match here. So click on new cards. So click on new cards, so you can see hamster combat match here. Just click on it and click on go ahead. Then you buy the cards and see yeah, the combo is complete, you are doing great. So you are just to claim the free 5M coins by clicking on take the prize, and boom, that's it. So today's combo has been you can see the three combo, and then we have successfully claimed 5M coins. And then you do this daily by unlocking the 5M coins by getting the three combos for that day. And how to get this daily combo, in the description of this video, click on the description of this video, you are going to see the link to a Telegram channel. So join the Telegram channel and you'll be getting daily combo on hamster, in which you'll be getting your getting the 5M coins, and also the Morse code in which you'll be getting the daily 1M points. So that's it. And for Hamster users, his advice you also what your profit per hour, your profit per hour what is what determined also when the what token will be what allocated. So that is, you click on mine, and then you see all these cards. You buy this card. As you are buying this card, you'll be earning what profit per hour. So according to a statement made from the official Telegram channel, your profit per hour also will be criteria for your what airdrop allocation. So once you what you may buy cards in which bring good returns. So you can see this card. It was profit per hour will be getting what 10.3.5k coins per hour. You can see this. You'll be charged coins for it, and you'll be earning your profit per hour. So that's it. This is just the information I want to what pass across to you guys. So do well to also buy cards, and which you'll be earning your profit per hour. And you can see the connect wallet is what's available here. So I'm going to tell you guys how to also connect this wallet here. So what you have to do is what click on connect wallet, and you see a prompt that will come up for you to what to connect either your tone keeper. So look at this, click on it. The prompt will come for you to connect your tone keeper, either my tone hub or tone wallet. So the advice I'm giving you here guys here is what, don't use Telegram wallet, because peradventure anything happens to your Telegram account, your what wallet is gone. So download tone keeper from Play Store, or my tone wallet or tone hub. After you download any of them, and then to connect this, once you click on connect wallet, you need to open your tone keeper. Once you just click on tone keeper or any of the wallets in which you have here, it's going to take you to the wallet, and then you wait for it to load. After it opens, a pop-up will show for you to connect. So I'm going to see our process here. So while waiting, a pop-up will show for you to connect your wallet. So let's go back to the site and click connect wallet. Click on tone keeper, takes you to tone keeper wallet. So you can see that it's load. So you are what, this is the pop-up. After it loads, it will prompt for you to connect your wallet to what Hamster. So you click on connect wallet, and then you verify, and you're done. Your wallet has been connected successfully. I'm going to take you back to Hamster. So your wallet has been connected successfully, and then this is the what wallet in which you will receive your what Hamster token when what it is being distributed. So do well to connect your wallet, and also download the what tone keeper wallet or my tone wallet from what Play Store. Sign up for a new wallet if you don't have any of them, and what back up your 12 phrase or your 24 phrase. They are just like what, like cat, dog, bat, house, up to 24 liters or so. And you also write them in a piece of paper, just like your bank pin, in which you shouldn't share to anyone, because once they are gotten, they can access your wallet and wipe out your coins. So some of you may have assets in your Tonekeeper wallet, or so you may try to create download a new Tonekeeper wallet to connect to the airdrop. Probably maybe your main wallet is Tonekeeper wallet, so you can download my Tone Hub, a new wallet, and then use it for the airdrop. So it is advised to not to use your main wallet while doing this. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up, and also like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.